Hello everyone, welcome to Vortech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a USB Windows installer. First, let's search for Media Creation Tool in your browser. Click on the Microsoft official link. And click on Download Tool now. Runs it. Agree with the privacy statement. Choose on the Create Installation Media option. Use the recommended options for this PC. Or you can untick the box and choose your language, edition, and architecture. You can create bootable installer for both 32-bit and 64-bit. Plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB. And click Next. Now that it's done, click on Finish. And there we go, a bootable USB Windows installer. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.